to the garden. So if you've been following, this is a brand new garden. This is an old council house, so there's not one single plant in the garden. So today I'm putting all the boring jobs to one side and I'm going to concentrate on getting a new border in. So without further ado, let's get into the video, show you what I'm thinking. So this is my new space. Really excited to get it planted up. So I've placed out a few of my favourite plants. So I've got Fatsia there on the right hand side, my bananas, peony, not really that tropical but it looked good. A couple of lupins, got my Gunnera there which is going in the ground, a couple of cordylines. Just down here I've got an actual tree fern which I'm excited about, got a Trachycarpus fortunei in the middle there. There's my Gunnera, fig, another small tree fern which is obviously going to be dug out, and a Shamrock humilis, formium, and then another cordline. So I'm really excited. So I'm going to pull all these out, get the borders dug out, and yeah, get some boards in really. So I better get digging. So these are actually left over from an old decking area, which is already here when we moved into the house. So they're going to be my borders, which I think they look pretty cool, to be fair, with a couple of little stakes either end, which will show you what I'm going to do with them. I'm just going to concentrate on this little bit to begin with, because like you guys can see, it's going to be quite a big border. Here's the plan. So all the grass and different bits and bobs which is actually in here, I'm actually going to move over the other side of the garden just so I can clear this space for this border. Obviously I'll deal with that a bit of a later day. It's all about getting this border dug out really, get the boards up, get the plants in. So continue with that. Now for the big banana. This one's going to take me ages to dig out. So this one is the one I'm most excited about and the one which I've given the most thought as to where it's going in the garden, and that is my Gunnera manicata. So I've had it in a pot for like 1 and a bit seasons now, and it's put on quite a lot of size, and I'm thinking about what's going to be around it and things, but I probably am doing it a bit cramped. However, I'm giving it a bit of space, but I can always move other stuff around it if it gets going there. So the idea being, I want it to cascade like over the lawn a little bit, over the path, and beyond really. So that's the reason why it's going there. So I'm most excited for this one. I'm gonna have to split the pot. So if you see under there, it's at root bound already, and it's in like a, I don't know, maybe 25 litre, probably no, a little bit less. But yeah, I'm super happy with it. Can't wait for it to go in. I'm super happy with that. This is what it means we've got to tidy up this corner here, but it should sort of cascade over. Obviously it's going to come over the lawn on the edge a bit, but I really don't mind over into that bit. Yeah, so I'm hoping it gets huge there. Big work in progress, like I say, but I'm pretty happy with that. So the idea being, I know it's quite tightly packed anyway, but I'm going to have in the corner just here a Ricinus communis, probably another one behind the peony, just to get some really big feature within the border. Probably a couple of sunflowers, red sunflowers, and then a few annuals in between. I've got a couple of cannel lilies to go in. Bananas flopped over in the move. So yeah, I've just got to repeat the process down there now. So yeah, I'm super happy with that. So I'm actually going to end this video here, guys. So this will just be part 1. I'm shattered, to be honest, all that digging and all that good stuff. So what I'll do is I'll list all the plants below, so everything that's in this border, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed it.